Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 14. Dear students, today we learn about concept of big, bigger, biggest. You know, things can be big, bigger, and biggest depending on their size in comparison to each other. The opposite of big is small. Look at this picture. You see a lemon here, which is small. The orange is big, but the melon is bigger than orange in size. The melon is bigger than the orange, but watermelon is the biggest because it is bigger than the melon. Hence, watermelon is the biggest among orange and melon. Let's have activity time. Color the biggest one. Color the truck because it is the biggest. The van is bigger while the car is big. Respectable teachers and parents explain to the children the concept of big, bigger, and biggest so that they may compare objects with reference to their size. Also, show them flashcards for the revision of big, bigger, biggest and ask them to recognize the biggest object. Help them to understand the concept of big, bigger, biggest through practical demonstration in the classroom. Ask the children to name all big, bigger, and biggest objects they see in their immediate surroundings. Appreciate the children who recognize well and understand the difference between big, bigger, and biggest. Thank you.